In front of me is HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Firstly, just go into settings, then click on more connections and select printing. So sorry, that was a misclick. Then you need to choose default print service or choose add service and install preferable one, like HP one. Then go back, click on preferable service, I will go with default one and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!